There is the age-old debate about the joy of reading a physical book versus one on an e-reader. But you can't deny the convenience of carrying all these books in the palm of your hands on a device that weighs less than 200 grams. Today we have with us the top-of-the-line second-generation Kindle Oasis. It is available in two variants, one with 8 GB storage and Wi-Fi only connectivity, priced at 21,999 rupees, and another with 32 GB of storage with Wi-Fi plus 3G connectivity, priced at a whopping 28,999 rupees. Coming to the build, the Kindle Oasis has an asymmetrical design with physical buttons for turning the page. Because of the asymmetrical design, the side where you grip the Kindle is thicker than the rest. This thickness also helps house a lot of the internals. The back of the device is all aluminum and this makes the Kindle feel very premium. The Kindle Oasis weighs 194 grams, making it quite light and comfortable to hold for a long duration. A good thing is that when you switch hands, the orientation and button mapping change accordingly, which is nice. The second generation Oasis is also IPX8 rated. This means that it is waterproof up to 2 meters of fresh water for up to 60 minutes. So don't worry about taking it in the bathroom or bathtub with you. The device has only one port, which is the micro USB port to charge the device. The power button rests on the top. Coming to the cons of the design, the metal back fails to add grip to the device, making it feel quite slippery. Also, considering the Delhi winters, the device gets rather cold to the touch. Moving to the display, the 7-inch second generation Kindle Oasis has a fantastic e-ink display that is crisp and bright. An interesting thing about the device is that you don't need to refresh it between page turns. This means that when you turn a page, the new page loads really fast and there is no residue of the previous page left behind. There is also a feature called Night Light that gradually dims the brightness of the display in the dark to get your eyes accustomed to the display. The Kindle has a touchscreen which is very responsive with no lags whatsoever. The QWERTY keyboard layout to search for books in the store is comfortable to type on and responsive to the touch. When reading a book, you have the option to disable the response of the touchscreen to prevent accidental touches. Coming to the UI, the home screen shows you 3 of your books along with a row of recommendations at the bottom. You can access your entire library of Amazon Kindle books in the UI. You can also navigate the store to buy a new book. When reading a book, you can simply select a word to see what it means. Amazon's X-ray feature is also a part of the Oasis. X-ray essentially gives you additional or relevant information about the character that you've selected or a name or a place in the book. This is especially helpful when reading fantasy or science fiction novels with a lot of lore to keep track of. One of the biggest additions to the Oasis is support for Audible audiobooks, but sadly the feature isn't available in India. Coming to the battery life, a voracious reader can get a couple of weeks of life with ease, which is really quite good. The Kindle Oasis is a fantastic device. It brings with it a premium build, a great display, and of course Amazon's large library of books. But the Kindle Oasis is one that you want but don't really need. Why, you ask? Well, to be honest, it's really expensive, and one of the key highlight features, Audible support, is missing as of now from India. Apart from the build, there is little reason to consider this over the Paperwhite or even the Voyage. The Paperwhite and the Voyage come with 4 GB of storage, but that's enough to house thousands of books at least. Features such as X-ray, dictionary, store and more are present on the Paperwhite and the Voyage as well. Until Audible support arrives, you are better off with one of the other Kindle options. Thanks for tuning in, and for more videos like this one, you can subscribe to our channel.